In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of your images on Ideogram. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this will work for any image, but this feature might have some issues depending on the type of image. So for this example, I'm going to generate a simple image of someone taking a selfie with mountains on the background. So after some seconds, I have the 4 variations ready right here. I can also go to my images right here and then click the one I like the most. For example, I'm going to remove the background of this image right here. All you need to do is click this option to remove the background, or you can also click the 3 dots and you can see the option to remove the background right here. And just like that, you should have the image with no background. You can also click on edit if you want to. And right here you can add more things to this image. So you can, for example, generate a custom background. You can also click here to replace the background. You can set it as transparent, or you can replace the background with something else. You can describe the new background and replace it right here. But if you just want to have the transparent background, just click here and then we can click on download, select the quality you want. And now if we see the image, it will have no background and you can just edit this image and put it wherever you want without background. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.